This video will cover DocAuto's generic execute module. In the summary section, we can set the job name as well as the job description. This is the general settings section. Here you are able to set the default log level that will be shown in the log for the job that is run. Debug is the default and will display all levels of logging in the log file. The log date format is also editable here. In the schedule area, you're able to set up a schedule on which to run the job. In order to set the schedule, the job must be saved first. In the schedule window, the first thing you will want to do is set up a name which is required. The schedule is able to be set up to run in a wide variety of ways. Continuous will run the job continuously and pause X amount of seconds in between runs. It can also be set to have a start and end date and time. The schedule can also be set to run once at a desired date and time, or in other time increments such as minutes, hours, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. This is the simple job chain section. Job chaining allows for other jobs to be launched based on criteria set in this window. We're able to chain jobs together when the job is completed and specific log levels are written in the log, or if the log contains specific text. We can also set the chain to be fired if a job exits with a specific status code. To set the next job in the chain to launch, click the Select Job button and select the desired job to be run. The database queries section will allow you to inject SQL commands in the parameters of the job that will be defined below. In the executable section, we will set what program to launch and the parameters that will be injected into the executable. To set the command, click the ellipses and navigate to the executable. In the parameters area, we can define what the executable above will be doing. We're also able to replace values in the parameter based on the query that was set previously. Also within this window is the option to specify a timeout window for the job to be terminated. The logging area will allow us to find what we would like to capture from the output of the job. We are able to capture standard out and standard error within this screen. To set the template of how the information will be output to the log file, simply drag and drop the variables into the log template area. There is an option for advanced parsing with regular expressions that will allow you to input your own variables using regular expressions. We are able to capture return codes from this window as well. To set which code to capture, click Add and set the code desired. Here we can check the run history as well as the edit history. And our job is complete.